you guys ever take your hair out from a protective style and just think like, this is why I put you under the wig? Like, ain't nobody got time for this. Like, hey guys, what's up? Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am looking like Meek Mill, like your auntie, like your mom. Yes, all those things, but you know, I have to do this so I can, you know, probably do this video. But as you can see, my wig is gone. My wig is out, and I'm left with these braids, and I actually already washed them. I washed them in the cornrows. I know that sounds a little weird, but I do that sometimes just because I love to just be able to get to my scalp and clean it. But like I said, I have been wearing a wig for maybe like 10 days now. So I have my hair in these braids, and I'm just going to take it out, and we're going to try a deep So I'm going to take these out, and we're going to try a deep conditioner today. And today we are doing a DEVA Curl Deep Conditioner. This is the DEVA Curl Melt into Moisture Matcha Butter Conditioning Mask. I don't know why name's got to be so long. Just say deep conditioner, like, and call it a day. And so this mask right here, you see how I have this itty bitty tiny one that basically looks like it's gonna last me one use. This one was $8.99 at my local beauty supply store for this small one, but a regular size one that you would purchase to have, like, let's say in your routine, would be either $50 to $80. So $50 for an 8 ounce one, and $80 for a let me double check. It would be $90 for a 17.7 ounce bottle. So that's like the bigger one that you would, if you really like it, you could get that one and it would save you money. But this is actually 2.7 ounces for $8.99. So it's kind of cheaper to buy 3 of these to get 8 ounces and pay $30 rather than getting 8 ounces for 50 bucks, which I'm kind of confused at. So this is actually like a better deal in my opinion. But I did call this a $50 deep conditioner because to have it in your routine, you might have to buy a $50 or bigger one to use regularly, because this just isn't efficient. But anyways, my hair has been not deep conditioned, it's been dry for a while, so I'm gonna try out this DEVA Curl conditioner because the price tag is so high. I'm expecting it to do very well. I'm expecting it to, you know, clear my debt, fill in my eyebrows, grow my edges out. Like, it needs to do everything because that is not cheap. Okay, so this is yeah, I have nothing else to say. Okay, so now I'm just gonna spritz this with water. This is a DEVA Curl bottle, but it's just water. I'm gonna wet my hair a lot because I really want the product to mix in with it. Let me read the directions actually. For a quick moisture boost, apply after cleansing and let sit for 3 minutes. Need more intense hydro boost, cover hair with plastic cap for 15 to 20 minutes with or without heat. For maximum moisture, leave on overnight, rinse thoroughly, use once a week as needed. Okay, so it doesn't really tell you if your hair has to be wet or not, but I just want it to be damp anyways. And so I'm gonna leave this for 15 minutes because my hair needs it. It says, okay. Ooh, it smells really nice. Okay, do you guys see this? It's detangling very easily. Ooh. You better stop. Right now it's at a like for that big container right now, I would pay 20 bucks for it. Right now it's at 20 bucks. We'll see if it gets up to 50 like it actually costs. But right now it's at a solid 20. As I'm rubbing it in, it's moving up to like a 25. But it feels really nice. I can't say it doesn't feel nice. And it's called Melt Into, what is it called? Melt Into Moisture. So I guess it's just supposed to melt right into your hair, which it's doing. As you can see, the color is disappearing and the product is going into my hair, if that makes sense. So that's cool. Okay, so this side is done. I'm just going to do the rest of the sections of my hair, and then I'm going to put it under a cap. So So let's see. As you can see, it is helping me glide through my hair a lot easier. Okay, so yes, this product really does melt right into your hair. It feels so good. It's really amazing, actually. I don't have any deep conditioner that I can say feels like this or acts like this. I'm being 1000% honest, because a lot of the deep conditioners I buy are a bit cheaper, so I guess the ingredients are a bit different, so it might not work as well. Sometimes you do get what you pay for, but I kind of just like settle for a, you know, I've never lived a life where I spent this much money on deep conditioner. Like, this is kind of crazy, but it does feel really, really nice. And you guys can see my hair looks so moisturized and like alive. Okay, so clearly you guys can see how this is literally melting into my hair. Look how my edges are naturally laying down because they are so moisturized. They only do that when it's very, very moisturized and when it's not dry and brittle. So that means it is actually absorbing into my hair because my edges are chilling, you know? Okay, so I'm done applying the actual product. I used about a little more than half. Yeah, I feel like I used about 2/3 of the container, so the rest will probably not get through my whole hair unless I kind of do a very light sweep of it. I have noticed that the more wet my hair is, the easier it is to kind of move the product because it is very thick and heavy. It's not like a watery kind of deep conditioner, so if you do it on soaking wet hair, you can probably save some of the product and be able to spread it a lot better, but it is what it is. My hands feel amazing. Wow, I love that. That's how you know it's good. That's how you know. Okay, so I will be back in about 20 minutes. We will wash this out and see how the results are. Okay, so I'm back. This deep conditioner has been in for about 30 minutes actually, and I put this towel over it just to keep it extra trapped and warm. And yeah, so ooh, my hair feels so good. Oh my gosh, wow. I've actually never felt my hair like this. Like, can you guys see this? I don't know, it's just so smooth. It's really weird. Like, it doesn't feel like my hair. This is really cool. It is extremely smooth. Ooh. Wow. This is crazy. I have never seen my hair look like this. So as you guys can see, my hair looks amazing. The product is very heavy, so it's really weighing down my hair. And this is the best, like, deep conditioning. I don't even know how to explain it. Like, this is the best my hair has looked while in the process of being deep conditioned. Like, it's not supposed to look cute right now, but you know, I'm really, really shocked. Fingers crossed that after I wash this out, it will still kind of have this shape and this look and this feel. So I'm gonna see what happens after I rinse it all out. Hopefully it's still as smooth and like, look, there is literally no frizz at all. So hopefully it stays like this after I wash it out. I will be right back and show you guys what it looks like. And like, damn, can I get a twist out to look this good? Like, geez, okay, can we just, I don't know, my actual strands feel, I could cry, I could actually cry, guys. My hair is chronically dry and frizzy, and right now I feel like I've like found a solution. Like, it's not the cheapest, but I could cry right now at how my hair feels. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm so happy. I am so happy. I wish this was just better for my budget. Like, it's just so moisturized that it's, you know, behaving. There is zero frizz on my head. Like, do you see any frizz? Do you see any frizz? There is usually like a halo of frizz right now. Like, I could go outside like this. This is a real wash and go. Just wash and leave the house kind of. and I could literally cry right now because I have never ever washed my hair and have it look this tamed and this simple and just like wow. Let me know what you guys think about this product. If you've tried it, comment down below. And I know it's a little expensive, but this is gonna save me so much money in the long run because I'm not gonna be buying anything else. And you best believe I'm not stepping foot in a salon because I can now do it at home. Okay, so let's talk about the product. It smells really nice, has a great consistency. Again, it's a safe product. Make sure your hair is really wet when you're spreading it. The ingredients, I know it's not all natural, but it's sulfate, paraben, and silicone free, so that's great. It doesn't have silicone in it to give you that fake slip and make it seem like your hair is soft. It's actually moisturizing from the inside out. Sorry I'm talking so fast, I just want to get information out so you guys aren't sitting here all day. And yeah, this is crazy. I hope you can really see the difference from my hair right now compared to what it usually looks like when I do my other washes. Okay, I'm freaking out. I'm done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. You guys can see for yourself. My reaction is 100% real. This is my first time trying it and I'm very satisfied. So I hope you guys try it out too. Let me know if you have in the comments down below. Let me know what you think. Is the price too high? Is it on the line? Would you use it, considering you can get really great results at home as you would at like a hair salon? This is amazing. You see that sharp line? There's nothing, no frizz. None. Holy, this is crazy. I'm so happy. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up this video. Comment down below. Let me know if you're gonna try it. Subscribe. Don't forget to do all that. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.